here in this Anganwadi, and I really like a couple of points in this Anganwadi space. The first thing, actually the way they have used the local material. We can see the use of bamboo. So this is very good in terms of sustainability and also the cost factor. The second point that I really like about this space is they thought of the caregivers. So the sitting spaces, they designed it. Yes, there are certain improvements, but it is a good that they are thinking about the caregivers. And the last thing that I want to also highlight, which is I really liked, is they're thinking of free play. So they have a softer spaces, they are thinking how to do it, but free play is something that they are focusing, is a welcome move.
Talking about this ECD workshop, this is a wonderful workshop wherein we are getting a classroom study as well as an outdoor exposure, where we are doing it, hands-on exercises, wherein we are interacting with the global experts. We are also interacting with more than 10 states, which brings a diverse knowledge under one roof.